students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given the performance of students in first term and the second term. We have to draw a double bar graph choosing appropriate scale and answer the following question. So firstly, we are going to draw the bar graph. This is subject which are English, Hindi, Maths, Science, Social Science, and the numbers obtained by the students in the term 1 and term 2 are given here. So firstly, we are going to draw the bar graph. So here our numbers of students are from approximately from 65 to 80. It is maximum, minimum is 65. So we are going to take the scale accordingly. So we are going to take the scale from 0 to 100. So we are taking the scale from 0 to 100, and on the x-axis we are going to write the subjects, and on the y-axis we are going to write the marks. So subjects, we have English, then we have Hindi, then we have Maths, then we have Science, and then we have Social Science, and the marks are from 0 to 100. So we are taking the interval of 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and let's say this is 100. So this is the interval, this is the subject. Here we are going to draw the graph. Here basically 1 unit length is equals to 10 marks. 1 unit length is equals to 10 marks. So we are going to draw the graph here. So let's say red represent the first term, and let's say green represent the second term. This green line represent the second term. So we are starting with the first term. So in the first term, the marks of the students are given here. In the English, they have 67. So 67 is somewhat there. We are considering about the first term. So in the first term, they have marks 67. Next is Hindi. In Hindi, they have 72. 72 must be there. So this is 72 for Hindi. In the Maths, they have 88. And 88 somewhat must be somewhere here. So this is 88. In the Science, they have 81. So 81 must be somewhat here. So this from here is 81. And in the Social Science, they have 73. So 73 must be somewhere here. So this is 73. So these are the marks for the term 1. Now we are considering for the marks for term 2. First is they have 70. So this is the 70. Next is they have 65. So this is 65 here. Next is 95. So 95 must be here. In Maths, they have 95. Next is 85. In the Science, they have 85. So 85 must be here. And next is Social Science, they have 75. So 75 must be here. So this is the double bar graph. Now we are going to answer the questions which we are asked. So first question is that in which subject did the children improve his performance the most? So if we can say that you can easily find out in which subject he performed the best or improve the performance, which is we have to find out the difference in order to find out the performance in which he performed better. So look here, for in first term in English he have 67, in the second term he have 70. Both have difference of 3 marks. In here Hindi, first term has 72 and second term has 65. Here he degraded. So there is minus 7 marks. In the Maths, first term has 88, second term has 95. There is an improvement of 7 marks. In the Science, first term has 81 and the second term has 85. So we can say that in the Science there is an improvement of 4 marks. And in Social Science, first term has 73 and second has 75. There is improvement of 2. So from here we can say that the maximum marks increasing in Maths. So we can say that the answer to the part 1 is Maths. So answer first is Maths. Now let's discuss the part 2. In the part 2, in which subject is the improvement the least improvement, if we can say that here he degraded the marks from 72 to 65. But this is the degradation. We have to find out the least improvement, means improvement must be there in that subject, however it will be less. So from here, English has 3 marks, maths has 7, science has 4, and social science is 2. So from here we can say that the answer to the part 2 is social science. So social science is the answer to the part 2. Now we are considering about the part 3. Has the performance gone down in any subject? So as we know that in the Hindi he has 17.2 in the first term and 65 in the second term. So we can say that the performance go down in subject Hindi. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of data handling. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.